Hi folks, welcome to another video. As you can see, we're in the motorhome. It's our first go in it.
Where we're going?
Well, I'm going to keep that a bit of a secret because I'm going to wait till I get there, then I'll reveal it when we get there. But it's not going to be a campsite, so our first little outing is it's going to be a bit of off-grid, so we'll see how it goes. A bit nervous for that because, like I say, like when you ain't going on a campsite and it's not planned, you don't know how it's going to turn out when you get there. It might be full, might be no places, so we've got to search for somewhere else. But we'll see how it is, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, we'll see you up there. I'll join you again in a little while up there. So yeah, see you in a little while. So we finally turned up. We got to the Peak District. I think we've got to find a park up on Park for Night. It's on Red Myers, I think it's Red Myers Road. So yeah, just check it out. I'll put a link. I'll put a bit more detail in a bit when but we just pulled up. Found it. There's a couple of camper vans in there, but we've got our motorhome in as well. So it seems a pretty nice little spot. Like I say, you got like, hang on, I'm just taking a little walk now with the dogs, let them have a bit of rest, and then we'll just go and relax in the motorhome for the rest of the night because it's it's about 10 o'clock. It only took us about an hour about an hour and 15. It's not too far where we are, about 50 miles, 60 miles, something like that. And I thought we'd come somewhere a bit close, not too far away. So I thought we'll pop up the Peak District. So yeah, take a look at I think it's called Red Myers Reservoir. I just had a quick look on Google Maps and I thought, well, would be nice to be on there, around the Peak District, and this one popped up. But I'm going to be we're going to be going to lots of places. So yeah, so. But we'll take a better look in the morning. I'll show you the park up where we are in a bit, so yeah, I'll join us then.